just being able to have your life by design. And by your design, I think that's success. Whether it's as a business owner or an employee or whatever that looks like for you, but actually creating what your ideal life is and living that.
Andrew believes that everyone should live a life that they love.
This show perfectly embodies how I live my life and what I see. It's the mind, the body, and then you can have the business. So it all works together. Couldn't agree more. You don't have to work so hard to make your money.
In your personal opinion, what are the top 3 skills that are needed to be successful as an entrepreneur?
Just taking the time to write down what you got from it. It'll make a huge difference because it'll start showing up in your life almost automatically at that point.